Welcome to Sheriff and Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, entertainment, and fun. We had an absolutely phenomenal week last week. Phenomenal. And I tell you, I know it is only going to get better. Twice in 1 week, we had time to sit down with the one and only Mr. Unstoppable. Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen, it was fantastic. Now, can you imagine? I was able to be his guest on his show Unstoppable Live, and right away, he was our guest on the Sweet Life Travel Podcast. And can I tell you, it was just grand. We really want to give a big shout out and thank you to all the Unstoppable Army members. The family came out, showed love to Share Fantastic, and they made me smile. So, everybody from Unstoppable, the Unstoppable family, all those who are new, we appreciate the fact that you came out and you turned up the support, and we were able to see our subscription growing. You know that subscription and likes make YouTube suggest our videos to more people. We get more reach and more range. And we just want to say a big thank you, big thank you to the Unstoppable Live family. And Mr. Unstoppable, you are just the bomb. We love you, and we know that we're going to have many more occasions to get together, to collaborate. And who knows, it might become a very fantastic, unstoppable encounter. What can I tell you? We also want to share with you extra special deals that are going on right now, all the way throughout 2020. And in Jamaica, the big occasion for families just to get away is Heroes Weekend. And we do have a wonderful promotion from Playa Resorts, particularly for the Hilton property. That is the Hilton Rosal in Montego Bay. Fabulous property, recently renovated, water park access. It's just great. And the price cannot be beat. We have an additional special in that if you book now, you pay just a minimum deposit and you have 14 days, up to 14 days before check-in to complete your payment. And very important, and you must always remember this, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited is the only agency you will ever be able to book with in Jamaica. Pay by credit card, make payment plans, and we have no fees. Did you hear right? Absolutely. No fees, neither for your booking by credit or debit card or for establishing a payment arrangement. As a matter of fact, we are the only agency who will give you a travel gift certificate just for booking, and we'll give you another one for referring a friend. So it is a win-win situation right here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Now, December is right around the corner. We've got Christmas coming up, and we're all very tired of being restricted and restrained, and we're able to offer you Christmas prices at all our local resorts like you've never seen before. For the Hilton property, that is available, and we are taking Christmas bookings. But within that Playa family, we do have the Jewel Paradise Cove as well as the Hyatt Ziva and Zalara. And I know we don't speak as much as we should about the Hyatt properties, but we really should consider this as a family getaway for Christmas 2020. For cruise travel, we're looking ahead into November of 2021. and the brand new MSC Seashore will be floating into the Caribbean just about the first week of November. So, ladies and gentlemen, join us on our inaugural sailing 2021 November 20th. It's going to be a wonderful time. We're sailing into Ucherius, Grand Cayman, Cozumel, and of course the private island in the Bahamas. So this is a not to be missed opportunity. We've got all your cabins booked, ready in our group block, and so the prices will not be changing. All we need for you to do right now is give us a call. We also have a minimum deposit of $199 US per person, and that will secure your cabin on this sailing with your payment plan. Of course, no fees attached. Children have a very special rate, and MSC knows how to keep our children safe and entertained. And of course, throughout all of this, there are persons who are very concerned as the virus lingers, and we are trying to work with our partners who have made every effort to keep us safe. So you can book with confidence, knowing that with us and our preferred partners, your exposure and the possibility to become infected by whatever channel has been reduced as much as is humanly possible. Now, I know we do not speak enough about Mexico, and as our clients here locally in particular have done all the resorts in Jamaica, they're itching to travel, itching to go again. We have hammered out a wonderful arrangement for those who are able to fly through the US, to fly with our preferred partner, Southwest, into Cancun, Mexico. And there, as we're talking about Hilton, the brand newly renovated Hilton property beckons, ladies and gentlemen. It is beautiful. And if you go back and take a look at our Hilton Playa Resort video, you will see it's calling you, it's beckoning to you. Your name is written all over it. So we will do the full package: air, hotel, transfers, all within safe and comfortable environs and methods of transportation. You need to be looking at the Hilton in Playa del Carmen. We fly you into Cancun, and it's just a short 45 minutes ride from the airport in Cancun onto Playa del Carmen. You have Fifth Avenue, you have that entire district just to get wild. And for those who want something a little more laid back, a little more funky, a little more, oh my goodness, then of course we've got the Panama Jack right across the street. So consider for Playa Resorts these two beautiful options right there in Playa del Carmen, just outside of Cancun. You fly into Cancun and you are there. Consider it. 2020, 2021, even 22. We will go right ahead and secure those bookings for you. Now, hot off the press, CaribbeanJournal.com brought to my attention the fact that American Airlines is planning to launch their pre-flight COVID testing on certain flights into the Caribbean. And yes, you guessed it, the first island that will benefit from this is Jamaica. So beginning next month, that is November, Jamaica will be the first destination, and the Jamaican government has reached an agreement with American Airlines to begin testing at the Miami International Airport. And so this will mean that for Jamaican residents who are traveling home, if you test negative for COVID-19 ahead of flying with American, the current 14-day quarantine in place for returning Jamaican nationals will be waived. Now, I don't know if you see this coming, but I believe this is a fantastic thing because you know what a deterrent it has been for persons who they don't have 14 days. They don't have all that time off from work, but they do want to come home and check on family, check on property, make sure everything is going well. And so now, starting next month, you can fly out of MIA, Miami International Airport, do your COVID test, have your negative result, and you do not have to undergo 14 days quarantine. So here we go, quick weekend run over to Jamaica once more, guys. This is exciting. We could not close this presentation at all without speaking about a grand announcement that the Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, made at the grand opening of the Zoetry property right down there in Montego Bay. And those of you who know us know that that is our go-to luxury property for those who are seeking a romantic hideaway, totally butler service, 24-hour concierge, top shelf, drink in room, total panoramic views from your balcony and from your ensuite rooms. To die for. And of course, stay at 1, play at 4 with exchange privileges to Secrets Montego Bay with the Secrets Wild Orchid, Secret St. James, and of course Breathless. Now this is not an adult only property, it's available for families. Just bear in mind that there are no special child care facilities and there is not a child pricing. So for the Zoetry property, and you will see it if you look on some of our previous videos, it's beautiful. There is no special attention that will be made for children, but sitting in the lap of luxury, living la vida loca, and being able to just suck all of that in, even with your young ones, will be a delectable treat. Now, Minister Bartlett spoke about this insurance, which will come in effect from November 1 of 2020, and for a small cess which will be attached to every arriving tourist ticket, there will be the availability of this insurance. And what that means is it will ensure that their testing is covered, whatever health requirements are needed while they are here on the island will be covered, and if they fall ill, the repatriation, meaning the getting them out and home, those repatriation arrangements will be put in place. A plane will be on the tarmac, ready and appropriately equipped with paramedics and the ability to take them safely home to their destination. Great news, great news. And you know, Minister Bartlett, we really just want to add our voice to the congratulatory messages. He has been getting award after award. I think it was last year he was awarded Tourism Minister of the Year. He got a big award sometime in September, late September, I believe, as he now heads out a world-based tourism entity. We'll find more details on that and share it with you. And he is effectively the longest serving minister in government, in our politics, and of course working in one ministry. So as the news report suggested, Minister Bartlett has been sworn in 7 times, and he has been the Minister of Tourism for the longest period in Jamaica's history, having entered at 32 years old and having served 7 tours of duty, we call it that. He is certainly a shining star, not only on the Caribbean scene anymore, but worldwide. So, right here from Share Fun Vibe, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, traveling with Sheri. Yes, you all need to check out our Facebook group page, Traveling with Sheri. We just want to send a huge congratulations to Minister Bartlett on his achievements. And this is where we are gonna park it for now. We have had a full morning, full time of sharing, but we want to hear your thoughts on all that we have spoken about. Any congratulatory messages you want to share with Minister Bartlett, anything you want to share about our collaboration with Unstoppable Live, and of course, any questions that you might have regarding returning to Jamaica, and of course the travel portal protocols that are in place. This is your girl Sheri. This is Sheri Fun Vibe. Have a phenomenal week. Ciao for now.